welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenya and in today's video I'm going to share how you can do a photo shoot at home. So yes guys, as it is a quarantine days are going and we all are locked down, and everyone is working from home, so you can be more creative. You do not have to be pro in that. If you do not have a camera or DSLR, or if you do not have a tripod, you can still do it from your phone guys. Also guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, I'm going to share my link here, and yes, you can go and follow me there. I am uploading so many pictures there, that how you can take pictures when you're at home. So without talking much guys, we'll quickly jump into the video. So my first prop is going to be a book guys. Yeah, so you can be more creative and you can take pictures, and taking pictures with books is so much it is trending so much, so it looks so good. And the aesthetic, the complete aesthetic with books, it just changes the complete picture. Talking about props, you can also use plants guys. You can see there is a plant in the background, and I am a plant lover guys. I have so many plants at my home, so yes, you can definitely click pictures with plants, or the plant's shadow is coming, or like just early morning you can take pictures when shadow is coming, so you can put a plant, like you can place a plant in front of you and you can take pictures. I'm going to insert pictures. I'm going to share the pictures here, so you can check out how like I'm taking pictures with plant, and plant changes the complete aesthetic guys. My third prop is something which is trending all over the Instagram guys. It is kitchen area guys. Yes, you can take pictures in kitchen and that just look amazing guys. You can use multiple props in your kitchen. You can use vegetables, you can use your sugar and tea pots, or like you can just be more creative guys. As I'm saying, I'm going to share pictures so you can have an idea that how you can take pictures while you're working in kitchen or you're washing dishes. You can take a picture. I have shared a picture even in a washing area where I was sitting on a washing machine, and I got so many comments on that. Talking about kitchen guys, fridge is something which I just love to take pictures with guys. You just keep your most favorite things in fridge, and then you can just sit in front of open the gate and you can sit in front of fridge and you can take pictures. Sweeney and I, we both have taken pictures. I'm going to share the pictures here so you can quickly check out. And like the moment you take such pictures guys, it actually gives variety and look more versatile. That yes, you have pictures with books, you have pictures with kitchen or washing area, so you can take pictures like this also. My next prop is going to be a cup or a tea or a coffee table guys. Taking pictures sitting like having a sip of coffee or a tea. I'm a tea person, so yeah, I usually take my pictures or I put stories with tea, a cup of tea. I usually take pictures, a cup of tea in my hand, so you can be very creative. You can lie down on your bed, and then also you can take pictures like you're sipping a cup of tea or coffee, and that gives such a good vibe. Like I just love it the way it turns out. I'm going to share the pictures for you so you can have an idea. So the last idea I want to give you for clicking pictures is very simple guys. I find it very simple. You just need to make cute poses guys, and you can create a 4-picture collage and you can put that on your feed. I have been doing this lately, and yeah, that all the pictures, they turn out to be really very good, so you can do that. I'm going to insert the pictures here so you can have a look at how you can do it. You can also play with colors guys. For the collage pictures, you can either put them into a black and white editing or plain editing, or you can just mix all the editing and then you can make a collage of 4 to 5 pictures, like whatever you want. If you want 4 pictures or 5, 6, you can do it as your choice. So yeah, this is how you can do the pictures and photo shoot at home, and you do not have to look for fancy places outside guys, because this is the time when I feel I can be so much creative. And also guys, you can hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you always get notified the moment I upload a new video. Hope you all enjoy this video, and do comment and tell me that yes, which are your favorite corners or how you are taking pictures during quarantine. Thank you so much for watching.